Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will learn how to use ChatGPT to create professional and engaging video scripts in minutes. We will explore how to turn simple ideas into well-structured scripts, write compelling hooks, clear explanations and strong call to actions, all with the help of AI. Whether you are a YouTuber, educator or content creator, this tutorial will show you how to save time, stay consistent and produce high quality scripts that connect with your audience. Let's get started and transform your video content with ChatGPT. So right now I'm at the websites of the ChatGPT, as you can see that, and this is the search box. Here you can create an account for free by just clicking on the sign up for free. Okay, so right now for here I will show you how you can create amazing scripts for your YouTube videos. So you must need to know that there are some important parts in the video of the script that you must include, like compelling hooks, clear explanation and strong call to actions, and you can achieve all of this just with the help of this chat gpt tool. So let's suppose we are about to create a video on a topic how to use google.com efficiently. So the topic is about Google, so we will ask the chat gpt to write a professional video script. So let's start. So we will how to create a YouTube video script about how to use Google efficiently. Okay, so also make sure to include compelling hooks, compelling hooks and clear explanation and strong call to action. So this is the prompt I have written here. You can also use the same prompt for your other YouTube video scripts. So let's see what kind of script it generates. So it will just take a second and it will give you the throughout the whole video script. So as you can see that there it has also provided at the title, you are using Google wrong, 10 tricks that will change everything. So that's the title of the video, and the end to that they have given. What if I told you that Google can give you exactly what you want, but you have been asking it the wrong way your entire life. So as you can see that they have given us a hook, intro hook, and they jump to the clear one. In the next few minutes I will show you how to search smarter, faster and get better answer in seconds. So as you can see that it has provided a good script with the call to action, and they have provided multiple sections of the video as well. So if you create a video with the help of this script, your video is going to blow the internet. So that's how you can use the ChatGPT to create your customized a video script for your videos. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.